Right, who wants to learn a classic Beatles song? Me, I hear you all say, so cool, let's do it. Let's get straight into it. So what we'll need is a capo on the second fret first and foremost. Now you can play it without the capo, but it won't fit in with the record, so you would be down here playing. Right, okay, but so if you want to learn it, you've not got a capo, learn the chord structure and then you can get yourself a capo and play along with the record later. But, so let's start from there. We've got a capo on the second fret, and what we're going to start with is a D chord. Now for the verse, we're not really lifting this finger off, so this is staying for the majority of the song. Okay, so I'll explain it in a couple of wee parts for you. So what we'll do is, rather than doing the strumming, I'll show you that at the end, but I'll just show you the notes that you're actually trying to hit here. So first bit is, okay, so we're playing the D, we're hammering on with the pinky onto the G string on the 4th fret. So D, hammer, back off, hammer, back off, and then first finger off to leave just these two fingers on. So D, hammer the 4th, off, first finger off. Okay, that's the first bit. And then we take the pinky and we put it onto the D string in the 4th fret. So. Okay. So the next bit is, sorry. So that's the first finger on the D string, 2nd fret, open G, pinky down on the 4th fret on the D string, and then open D string. So put that together. Okay, with me so far? Right, so the next bit then we're playing is, we're taking these two fingers off and leaving this finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. We're playing our second finger, well, middle finger, on the 3rd fret 5th string. And then we're playing essentially the 2nd and 3rd strings. First finger on the A string, 2nd fret. So it's the open A. But what we're doing is we're actually going back into the D shape. So we play that all through without the strum. It's D, hammer down the pinky. Okay, so the strumming, what we do is down, let's see, down. Okay, so what we're playing is down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you put it all together. It can be tricky to get it correct right away, and you may hit the wrong string and stuff like that. But essentially, if you remember that you're playing a D shape, and the fingers, when you're actually putting your fingers on the fretboard, you're accentuating those actual notes. So those notes you actually want to be hitting. At no point really are we hitting the 6th string. Certainly when we're playing the D shape. Maybe when we're playing the rundown back into there. Okay, so the only other bit we've got then is the G, S, Mi, okay, dead easy. So we're playing a D minor. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, G, up, down, 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 up, D minor, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, D minor, and then we're playing an E minor. And what I then play is, well, it's basically an A. But I'll actually I'll play a lazy A, and I'll put the finger down onto basically the 3rd fret 2nd string. So I'm playing a sort of A7 there. So I play it like this, so E minor string, G, E minor, the whole song. You might need to look back in the video a couple of times just to basically get it right, but essentially if you practice getting your left hand correct first before you actually attempt the strumming, and put the two of them together after you've done the strumming, and it should all work out pretty well. Okay, well hopefully that's been helpful. Cheers.